Hi and welcome to a new video. Did someone send you a zip file but you don't know how to extract it? In this video, I will show you how to unzip files on your iPhone. Let's go. If you have iOS 13 or later installed on your device, you can open zip files in the Files app natively without using third-party applications. To start, launch the app and locate the zip file you want to extract. For a quick preview of its contents, press and hold on the zip file, select Quick Look from the menu, and tap on Preview Content. To extract it, tap on the file and a new folder containing the unzipped contents will be created automatically. By default, the folder name is the same as the zip archive. Simply long press on the file and choose Rename if you want it changed. Alternatively, you may also press and hold on the compressed file and tap on Uncompress from the menu. Note that the process varies depending on how large the zip file contains. If it holds megabytes of data, expect a longer time before it gets extracted completely. In case this feature isn't available on your Files app as it should, check if the current installed iOS on your device is outdated. Since you need the latest iOS versions to uncompress files conveniently, make sure to keep it updated. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings, select General, and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. Another alternative is to simply use third-party applications such as iZip, which you can download from the App Store. After installation, launch the app and click on Document Browser. By default, it will automatically display all available zip files saved on your device. Choose the specific file you want to extract and simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Just like that, your extracted zip file is now ready for your convenience. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.